In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Odoo website. Before we begin, it's important to know that deleting a website in Odoo is a permanent action in many cases, so you'll want to make sure you're removing the correct site before confirming anything. If you manage multiple websites, taking a moment to double-check can help you avoid deleting the wrong one. To get started, the first thing you need to do is enable developer mode. This option gives you access to additional settings that are not always visible in the standard interface. From your Odoo dashboard, open the Settings area and then use the search bar to look for the word Developer. Once you find the option, click on Activate Developer Mode. After you do that, Odoo will refresh the interface and unlock the extra administrative tools needed for this process. Once developer mode has been activated, go back to your main Odoo dashboard. From there, click on the Website app so you can access your website management area. This is where Odoo lets you view and manage the websites connected to your database. When you're inside the website section, look at the top menu and click on Configuration. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there select Websites. This will open the full list of websites currently available in your Odoo environment. If you only have one website, the choice will be simple. If you have several, take a second to review the list carefully so you can identify the exact website or websites you want to remove. Next, check the boxes next to the websites you want to delete. This selection step is important, especially if you're cleaning up old test set sites or removing websites you no longer use. After selecting the correct entries, go to the top of the page and click on Actions. In the menu that appears, choose Delete. At this point, Odoo will proceed with the deletion action. Depending on your version or setup, you may be asked to confirm before the websites are removed. If that happens, just review the selection one last time and confirm the deletion only if you're sure. And that's it. Once completed, the selected Odoo websites will be deleted. If you're managing a live system, it's always a good idea to be cautious with administrative actions like this, especially in developer mode. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to delete an Odoo website.